In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add or remove contacts from your Activecampaign lists. So let's dive right in and walk through every step to ensure you're able to manage your Activecampaign contacts with ease. Whether you're just starting out or just need a refresher, these instructions will guide you through the process smoothly. First, you'll want to head over to the Activecampaign website. This is where all the magic happens, so open up your browser and navigate to their homepage. Once there, you'll notice the login option in the top right hand corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login screen where you'll need to input your account name. Make sure you have your active credentials at hand, as we'll need that information to proceed. Once you've entered your account name, find the login button and give it a click. This will bring you directly into your Activecampaign dashboard where you have all your marketing tools at your fingertips. Look to the left hand side of the dashboard and select the contacts option. This is where you can view and manage all of your contacts collected so far. Next, search for the contact you want to add or remove from a list. To do this, simply browse through your current contacts or use the search function to make finding them easier. Once you've found the contact, you'll need to navigate to their individual contact page. From here, look for the lists section. You'll notice there is an option to add a contact to a new list. It's time to select the list you want to add them to. Take a moment to double check that this is indeed the list suitable for your contact's needs or the campaign you're setting up. Once you are ready, click OK to confirm your action. The contact is now successfully added to the list of your choice. Now, if your goal is to remove a contact, you'll want to follow a slightly different process. Head back to the Lists section in the Activecampaign dashboard and select the list you're working with. Here, you'll see all the current members listed. Locate your contact and select the drop-down arrow beside their entry. From this menu, you'll see the option to delete contact. Click on that and follow any additional prompts that confirm your decision to complete the removal process. And that's it. You've now successfully managed your contacts by either adding them to a list or removing them when necessary. These steps will empower you to take full control of your Activecampaign contacts, enhancing your marketing strategy and ensuring you're reaching out to the right audience every time.